Hi guys! So 2025 na, ito yung perfect time para i-let go yung mga old habits natin. And best time rin to start building a healthier lifestyle. Syempre, para ma-achieve natin yung new and better version ng sarili natin. So share ko lang sa inyo guys na one of my New Year's resolution is to make an effort to hit the gym and work out consistently. Kasi naman alam nyo, as a food vlogger na madalas nagfo-food trip, and isa rin sa goal ko na mag-next level this 2025. So meaning, more food trip. And of course, to add to this resolution, syempre para ma-level up fully yung confidence ko, I also promise to myself to religiously take care of my skin, and perfect to sa mga kagaya kong busy at laging nagmamadali. This is my current favorites. Napakadali lang guys, in just 2 easy steps, okay na yung skincare mo. Our skin also needs that perfect combination of products to look its best and of course to shine brighter with confidence each and every day, diba? Kaya I recommend this duo kasi it can really help you achieve bright glowing skin in just 2 super easy steps. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, it contains niasourcinol na superior ingredient sa skincare world. Kaya nahanap ko na talaga yung perfect match sa skin ko, which is itong 2 easy steps ng Pond's Glow Duo. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa nahahanap yung perfect match nyo this 2025, i-try nyo na to. Especially now na available to in their official TikTok page at Ponds Philippines. So guys, follow Ponds TikTok page now and be updated on their amazing deals.